been an agent for 6 years, so you get into some pretty old tricks. And everything that you did today is something that you can implement and use on a daily basis, even though you've been doing it for so long.
The information that was being taught wasn't like sold to you. It was real. I know that when I leave here, I can go back and I can implement it and that it works. It's been proven.
Trusting the process, following it the way that they taught it to you, and then you'll find out that you're going to be protecting the customer better, and we're going to end up winning in the long run as well.
The biggest benefit in coming here is definitely learning the process and being able to instill that in everyday work.
The benefit was just the expertise, just the learnings, the professionalism, the takeaways were off the charts.